Conversion rate in affiliate marketing is one of the most crucial performance indicators that determines how effectively an affiliate turns potential customers into actual buyers. It reflects the percentage of visitors who take the desired action, usually making a purchase, signing up for a service, or completing a lead form after clicking an affiliate link. The higher the conversion rate, the more profitable and successful the campaign becomes. In affiliate marketing, the conversion rate acts as a mirror of both the marketer's strategy and the quality of traffic being generated. For instance, a well-optimized campaign targeting a specific audience with relevant offers will naturally yield a higher conversion rate than one relying on generic or untargeted traffic. Factors influencing conversion rates include the niche, product pricing, landing page design, audience trust, and call-to-action clarity. Affiliates who understand consumer psychology, craft persuasive content, and provide value-driven recommendations often outperform those who focus solely on traffic volume. The power of personalization also plays a significant role. Content tailored to the reader's needs, combined with honest reviews, comparisons, and visual demonstrations, can dramatically improve engagement and sales. Tracking tools and analytics help affiliates identify which campaigns, keywords, or platforms bring the most qualified leads, allowing them to refine their strategies for better performance. A/B testing is another essential method to increase conversion rates, as it helps determine which headlines, visuals, or CTAs resonate most with audiences. Moreover, user experience directly affects conversions. A clean, mobile-optimized landing page with fast loading speed and easy navigation encourages trust and reduces bounce rates. In modern affiliate marketing, automation tools and AI-driven analytics have revolutionized conversion optimization by providing real-time insights and predictive behavior analysis. For example, affiliates can now use heat maps to track visitor interaction or AI to segment audiences based on intent, enabling hyper-targeted campaigns. The choice of affiliate program also impacts conversion rates. Programs offering high-quality products, competitive commissions, and transparent tracking systems naturally convert better. Trust is another powerful driver. Audiences are more likely to buy through affiliates who demonstrate credibility, share authentic experiences, and maintain consistency across platforms. Email marketing also contributes to higher conversions when used strategically. By nurturing subscribers with personalized offers and informative content, affiliates can build long-term relationships that lead to repeat sales. Additionally, retargeting campaigns help recover lost leads by showing customized ads to users who have previously engaged but didn't convert. Understanding that conversions don't happen instantly is key. Most customers need multiple touchpoints before committing to a purchase. Therefore, affiliates who focus on storytelling, audience engagement, and post-sale communication tend to see better long-term results. Ultimately, improving conversion rate in affiliate marketing is about synergy between quality traffic, relevant offers, strong content, and a seamless user experience. It's not just about pushing products, but guiding the customer through a journey of trust and value. In 2025's competitive digital landscape, mastering conversion optimization is the difference between casual affiliates and true digital entrepreneurs who build sustainable, high-performing income streams.